Alright, we might as well start. Sorry. Welcome. I hope everyone's going well today. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Whoops. Let's go into this. Let's do a git pull. Git checkout main git pull. Now we did a release today. All of those those urgent critical issues for the file uploads and stuff like that have been fixed. I fixed them last night, but I didn't do the push. I didn't do the release until today. So yeah. All right. So git checkout. We're going to do a new branch, development 0.30.33. Okay. Cool. And if I go git branches, yeah, we've got a number of branches on here. Oof. Look at that, we've been working since 3010 on this computer. Kind of nifty. Alright, so if I close all tabs, yes, socks. Go to our issues. Now remember, we're now going to if we do five bugs, fix 5 bugs, we're doing a release that night. However, that being said, if we fix 5 bugs right away, we can stack more in. So that's how I'm going to attack this. Also, socks is pacing. Give me a sweetie. All right, cool. So, validation on customer information page does not work. So what we're doing is we've got all the major ones in here at the moment. There's only 6 major ones. One of them, the object data does not have user permission checking, is going to be huge. So I wouldn't mind pushing that back if we don't get it tonight. And then we've essentially, we don't really need to put anything in the next release. What we'll actually be doing is, so we've got all the major ones, is once we finish those major ones, we're literally just going from top to bottom and doing as many as possible. I feel like I can get rid of quite a lot of these. And then hopefully once we've done that, we can start working on 031. Okay. Object data does not have. No, we didn't want to do that one yet. Validation on customers. We wanted to have a look at this one first. So currently we don't have any validation whatsoever. So let's boot up everything. Let's go npm run watch. Let's hit the debug. Let's minimize all our code and everything like that. Let's jump over here. Let's go into our localhost 8000. Let's find a customer. So this is on customer information. So what actually happens is someone gets rid of one of these. There's no validation whatsoever on any of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in that validation. All right, ad break in progress. I'm terribly sorry for anyone who is in the ad break. We want to go to components. What we want to do is we want customers and customer information. And just wait. I don't know if you guys can see it. Socks has been naughty again. Yeah, I thought so. Webcam can see you, Socks. Webcam can see you. So this is just a basic information for thing, nothing too hard. We've got validation rendering, we've got validate in here. We do have validations. I think we just haven't. Yeah, we just haven't added in the validation properly. So what we're going to do, show you what that's meant to look like. It's just these lines. Check validation. Is format correctly? We just await this. And then, yeah, done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this needs to be like this. Easy done. So if that's fine, and then we've got waiting for customer. All right, sweet. So we hit refresh. We've got value is required. All right, there is one other thing which I do want to actually do. I want to this $store.dispatch a new toast, and the header will be please correct issues. Message will be not all fields are correctly validated. Please correct. And then socks. Do you mind? There you go. All right, extra classes. Background warning. We don't need to worry about a delay or anything like that. So yeah, we're happy with how it is. And there we go. Now we said warning. We actually want danger. There we go. Not all fields are correctly validated. Please correct. Easy done. Very easy. So what we want to do, git status, git add, everything in source, git commit, bug fix. I feel like a lot of these bugs that we found the other day are going to be like this. They're going to be simple and easy to fix. So this is ready for retesting. No to the microphone socks. All right, so you can't delete tags. That might be a little bit harder, this one. So we've got an issue where we can't delete the tags. So if we go list tags, delete this tag, let's open up the network and hit delete tag. We get a 500 error. So the response states, check user permission. So tag delete to. So I'm just going to close all this, close all that, minimize everything, open up this. I'm going to open up the NearBeach. I'm going to open up the views. I'm going to stop stressing. Go to the tag views. It's going to give socks false cuddles. So we've got delete tag, check user permission for object lookup tag. All right, check user permission. Socks. Stop. We're going to go to the implementation. Now, object lookup is here. Now, we didn't hit that breakpoint. Okay. Check user permission line 277. It's going down here. It's hitting this one. Stop it. Be like, no, never. Ah. I don't know what's her fascination with the microphone. Okay, so it's hitting this one line. Now, we are going to be refactoring the user permissions very shortly. The idea being is that we're missing object data, sort of user permissions. We do need to fix that up. Now, object assignment. Okay. Sorry, she's just going to cause trouble. So, SQLite database. We're going to open up the database. And now I've got all her fur all over my nose, tickling me. Browse data. Yeah, this would be under tag assignment. Alright, I'm going to put a breakpoint right there. We're going to hit the delete tag. We've got this now. So user groups, if quags. So we've got tag ID is 2. Glad someone's working on Django. Hello, Supermind 2002. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I've been using Django for a while now. I use quite a lot of different different frameworks though. So yeah. Alright, so the issue is it is passing through the tag stuff. In the object assignment table, we don't have that. So if we go to NearBeach, object assignment, the tags don't get assigned here. So that's the problem with deleting this. That's why new tag works. Oh, save tag. That's why save tag works, but not delete tag. We can fix this up very, very quickly. We can create our own permissions. So def check user tag permissions, min permission level. And what we'll do is we'll just delete that out of there. Like so, because I want this in alphabetical order. Alright, sweet. Check the user's tag permissions. And essentially, I minimize this. Decorators, the new one. If I paste that over there, I'm just referencing what we do down here. So I'll still need the def decorator passing through the function. We wraps the function def inner request args and coargs. If user is admin, grant them all permissions. All right, this is just simple. If request.user.isSuperUser return the function. I can't see that because Sux is in the way. Are you working to fix some issues? I'm trying to catch up, but I'm still new in Django. Yes, give me 2 seconds. I'll explain what I'm doing. All right, cool. So I'm building an open source project management system called NearBeach. So Django is the backend, VueJS is the front end. At the moment, I'm fixing an issue where I can't actually delete these tags. The reason being is the decorator itself, I'm essentially using a decorator that checks permissions against objects, and the tag is kind of excluded from those particular options. So I've got to create a custom one for the moment. Later on, I'm refactoring this to squeeze it in. Oh yeah, so what? All right. Give me 2 seconds. I need to go into mod view. There you go. All right. Sorry about that. So yeah, the idea now is I've just got to check the user's permissions against this. We are refactoring this to make this a lot simpler. This section here, the idea is how I've set it up is, I need to log in as admin to show you. I can't run it at the moment, but essentially, depending on the object and depending on the sub-object, depends how much permissions a user has and so forth like that. So yeah. Now, done that. User groups. Now, this won't be dealing with groups at all, because this is the same as the admin sort of permissions. So for super user, we return back the permission lookup. Yeah, this should actually, no, screw it. I could use this. So I'm just getting rid of this. All right. Check user admin permissions. Min level will be 4. And the permission lookup will be tag. Okay. Yeah, that should work. Because function is only used in the administration views, but that's fine. We can use it for tags and so forth like that. So if I hit refresh, I'm gonna undo that and hit play. All right, sweet. And if I go to permission sets, so here's our permission set. So you see there's admin permissions, there's organizations and customers. There's also MISC, configure tag. So I think that's just either tag or tags. We'll figure that out in a second once we just key on this and we start deleting stuff. I put it on the wrong thing, but it looked like it worked. Sweet. Okay, cool. Awesome. That worked a treat. Now, git status. Okay, so we just wanted to edit that one. I'm just making sure the other one we won't have any changes, and I've reverted it back to standard. Yep, all right, cool. So git add NearBeach views. Okay, sorry, socks. I'll show you guys. Socks is right here. Hence, I'm trying to crane my neck around the screen. All right, so just copy this. Git commit im bug fix all right, another bug down. So that one goes ready for retesting. And we go back into our code. So requirement links not showing tasks. Oh, all right. This is a good one. Let's figure out why. So, log into NearBeach, navigate to an open requirement. Under requirement, go to requirement item, add multiple links, both task and project. Go back to the requirements. All right, cool. I remember this one. So, let's find. Wonder if socks will come back if I touch this. All right, links, project links, tasks. Let's add in a couple of tasks. Let's go save. So they're there. We're happy with that. On this page, this should actually appear there. So they're not. So requirement links, project links, task links. All right. Oops, links 2 and 3. So requirement links 2 and we're missing 3. All right, let's click in the response. Now, this is asking for requirement information, data, item links. And I should close that one. If I go into here, the data I get is the object link list, so it is not to do with that. All right, sweet. So we need to go to requirement information, data, linked item links. All right, let's go into the data. Let's close all the tabs. Let's minimize everything. Let's open up this. Let's go to our NearBeach. I'm opening up the URLs. I am finding the item links. So we've got requirement information, the requirement ID, which is number 3. Yep. All right, cool. We've got the data and item links. So this is the one. So we want to go to this implementation. So here we've got object assignment filter, queue, where the requirement object, requirement items in, filter for anything with that ID. All right, cool. So data results with the projects. Now, were we getting the correct number with the projects? We weren't, because we had 2 projects and 2 tasks. All right. Now, this might be the wrong one I'm looking at, because it might be this one. Yeah, I think it's that one I'm looking at. Okay, no problem. We'll... requirement item links. Oh yes, yeah. No, that is the one I'm looking at. Sorry, excuse that. That's the requirement links, is the requirement item links. So we've got 3 projects assigned to it. So 2 for this and 2 for the other one. 1 for the other one, sorry. So it looks like data results, extend, object results, filter. I just haven't done the one for the tasks. task ID is null equals false. And then all we need to do, annotate the object ID equals F, and that will be the task ID. Then the object title will be a V. Why is it my pain? Alright, that was silly of me. Alright, open in that. We want to open as admin. Alright, that shouldn't be like that. That should be project title. This should be task ID underscore underscore task short description. Object up. I've just realized that's meant to be an F. Object status equals F. Oh, we can fix another bug here. There we go. Getting a bit long, I know. Like so, and then object type equals v task. Okay. To reload, we had an issue getting the data. Cannot resolve keyword project title into field. Choices are bugged. Yada 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 yada. Project start date, project story max, project description, project ID, project name. It's not title, it is name. Easy done. Another issue. Project status title. So it's just project status. And that would be the same for that. So for those that don't know, project status is essentially, now that it has a subtable and stuff like that, that's why we need to do it twice. Gives us that freedom. Object of type, object assignment is not JSON serializable. Oh yeah, I haven't put the values in. So yeah, that's easy. So values, that's just going to be object. Let's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's hit refresh. There we go. And then we're fixed up something else at the same time. All right, so I'm happy. That's easy done. That's easily fixed. So, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gotten rid of my pain. God, that was silly of me. And we're only doing the views, bug fix. All right, that one's done. All right, deactivated public link still works. All right, that's pretty simple to fix. So what we want to do, minimize everything. We want to open up NearBeach, open up the views. We want the public views. And then we don't want create public link. We don't want delete public link. We want public link. So we've got a public link results where is deleted equals false. Now, one thing we want to check, public link results, get object from destination. We want to put in here is archived equals false. And I think that's it. So what we can do is get rid of that. Let's go misc, create public link, copy it. We need to create this as shopping. Let's paste and go. Is archived. All right, is archived into field. Is deleted. Yep, I know socks. Public link is archived. All right, that's the wrong field. Easy done, easy quick fix. Boom. That's not working. So I am gonna get rid of that. And I'm gonna paste it again. All right, so let's have a look at public links. Public link is active. Is active. Oh, is active. Yeah. I had the wrong boolean. Quick and easy fix. All right, cool. Still working. If we untick this, boom. All right, done. Git status, git add NearBeach views, git commit, bug fix. Okay, done. Let's go to ready for retesting. All right. Oh, sorry. Users not notified of automatic updates. The misc fields are automatically updated. However, the users are not notified of their update. This works against the NearBeach flow. Thus, we need to make sure the change is reflected. All right, cool. Yeah, so what actually happens is someone will change this. It'll automatically update this. We need to actually tell the user that it's been updated. And one easy way to do that is with a toast. So just have a toast pop up and stuff like that. Be like, yo, updated. So, let's open up our source, JavaScript, our components. Now this is part of the change task. Just double checking this. So we want to find all objects. They're both draft. Great. So new change task, backup database. If we go to this, we've got it down here. So it's actually part of that section down there. So we've got to have a look on here. Let's go to the components. This is the change task modules. And then that misc is the change task misc. So as part of this. Is downtime required by... Ooh. I didn't realize that we are going further down. So, is downtime and required by has this. So, it updates the store. Okay, so that's... Alright. So this is just a simple form. So what we want to do, this $store.dispatch, new toast. And what we want to do is, we want a header, updating required by. Message, please wait, we are updating required by. We want extra classes to be background warning. We want the delay to be 0 because we don't want it to close. We want the unique type to be just called required save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So when that's done, so it goes through the post, then we just do this. So updated required by, we then just go the required by has been updated. This is success. We don't have a delay, but we do have a unique. We're also going to post in the error one. And hey, Jay, yeah, we're just fixing bugs today. We did a release today. I fixed a bunch of bugs last night and did a release today. Just needed to double check a few things before doing the release. Yeah, we're just doing more bugs. However, these bugs were flying through, which is great news. I do need to refactor the permissions. So that's going to be a lot of work. So yeah, we might do that soon. That will require us, that will require a lot of unit testing and so forth like that too. So I might actually just move on to other sort of things and move that bug on, just because of how big it is. But it is something I want to do before 0.31. So, issue updating required by. We have had an issue updating required by error, and then just a simple error. How are you, Jay, by the way? Hopefully you're going well. And we want a delay of 0. So that should do that one pretty good. And the is downtime is going to do the exact same thing with the update. So we just paste that in. We have update downtime flag. Please wait. We are updating the downtime flag. You're doing fine. Slow first week back. Fair enough. Yeah, it was slow for me. This is my second week back. It's picking up right now. So yeah, I've got a couple of tasks which I want to actually get solved quicker. Oh, rather quickly. Okay, so I wanna. No, it won't let me do that. Why? I'm going to paste that in there too. We're going to fix these up. Socks, your tail's in the way, sweetie. don't know if you guys can hear the little bumps. So updated, successfully updated the downtime flag. And that will be success. We don't need a delay in there. Oh, I should change these required save to downtime save. Downtime save. Downtime save. So here we need failed to update downtime flag. We have come across an issue updating the downtime flag. Error. And that should be danger. Alright, and that should be it. So if we actually hit refresh, we go to MISC. Let's state this as Socks the Fluffy Butt. Again. And there we go. Perfect. Oops, meant to click on that. Git status. Git add. Source. Git commit. Bug fix. Okay. And that's ready for retesting. Now we could jump on this one. This one is going to be huge. It's fine, minimize all of this. Let's up this. Let's open up NearBeach. Let's open up our decorators. We've got the check user permissions. So we're essentially going to be changing it to this one. The check user permissions new. Even then, we need to make it as generic as possible. And then figure out stuff. This is a lot of refactoring that I really don't want to do tonight. There's two reasons why I don't want to do it. One being, it's a lot of work, and I've reached the 5 bugs already for a release tonight. Whereas I can just stuff this full of bug fixes. Quick and easy bug fixes. And then properly think about that. Yeah. I have ideas of what I want to do with this particular thing. So a lot of the time, you will have, if we open up, let's minimize everything, let's close everything, close all tabs. Let's open up a couple of our view templates. So we've got the projects, and let's say we've got our object data. So on a lot of the functions, we'll have either request, we will have to key through, like the destination. Yeah, and in other cases, we'll also need to key through the location ID. So in this sort of case, it checks user permissions. So it goes in here. If the length of the quags are greater than 0, it actually looks up the destination and the location ID. So this works really, really well, but it doesn't work in every single case. So with the object data, it pretty much follows, it already has the destination and location ID in there. So we can easily reference that. And I feel like what we could do with these particular permissions, oops, wrong one. These permissions, we can change it to object lookup. We have the destination. And then, yeah, there's something I've just got to do. I've got to make this as generic as possible so it fits in multiple cases. Otherwise, we're constantly just building up user permissions and so forth like that for edge cases of how to do stuff. So yeah, this is why I want to push this back a little bit more, because I need a lot more planning. I need to sit down and be like, all right, cool. If I do it this way, what will the data come through? How can I get to the destination location ID if I need it? What happens if there is no destination location? Should I have a generic just lookup? So a good example would be some of the admin stuff. Under object data, I'll have destination location for this, I'll have it for that. Easy done, we're all happy. Add notes, destination location ID, sweet. We're not complaining about this at all. We could in fact add in our decorator in here just for looking up these particular things and all that kind of fun stuff. And then you get to admin user where there's no decorators or whatever. So yeah, it's just one of those things that I got to fix up, because this check permissions is really messy, and I've just got to sort of collapse a lot of this. So RFC permission, a lot of this is also pretty template boiler type of stuff. We get all that out, we then do that. We're then doing pretty much the same thing here, but this is for requests for change. So yeah, we'll just have a, yeah. I just got to think about it. I mean, we can fix the original bug issue tonight, in fact. But the issue, without refactoring, we can create a decorator that we can use in there very quickly and very easily. And then we can refactor that later. That is also another solution. But I feel like that we're just creating more work. So I'm moving this one on. And profile pitch, I'm just going to move these ones in. We're going to quickly do them. So, profile picture is appearing under the documentations for the organization. So if we go to list organizations, let's go to Fire Desert. What's actually happening is this image is appearing down here. That is because it's treated like the profile picture is treated like an upload. So if we actually go to document permissions, let's actually filter for this particular one. So I'm going to copy link. I'm just going to paste but not go. And I'm going to copy this, the UUID. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this in. Going to remove the hyphens. And there's our document. So as you see, it is connected to an organization. We don't have a flag that is it is a profile picture. If we actually have a look at one of these other ones, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a query. Select everything from NearBeach document permissions, where 1 equals 1 and document key equals like so. There we go. So there it is. Or document key ID equals. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get another one of these. So copy link, paste up here, copy this, go over here, paste it in. Run it. Like so. And as you see, it's got the same sort of structure. Not ideal. Yeah, so there's one or two ways we can deal with this. One, we can have something that flags this as a profile picture, or two, we have the exclude. Now, if we change this, so this is the Morgana one. If I change this to, let's say, max, and I do a refresh, we still got the Morgana one there. Yeah, don't know. And we don't want to show these in there. So this might be a case where we add in a little profile picture flag, and then whenever a user ID or a organization or a customer update their profile, it'll flag that, be like, this is just a profile picture. Then we can exclude it. So I think that's going to be the easiest way. That way also, when we change the picture, the Morgana won't just reappear down here. So yeah. All right, close all tabs. What we want to do, minimize everything, open up this. We want to go to NearBeach. We want to edit our models. We want to find document permissions. Realize that it's got to be in that case, but luckily we landed on here. So we've got all of these. Then after this is profile picture. Equals models dot boolean field. Default equals false. Like so. That should work easy. So what we want to do, go over here, Python 3, manage migrate, make migration. Sorry, Sox's head is in the way. VM bin activate. Sorry, I haven't actually activated my virtual environment for Python. There we go. Python 3, manage migrate. Sweet. We'll need to actually do this with, we'll need to redo the, because with every single migration, we need to actually make sure we update the fixtures. Otherwise, our Circle CI, so our CI/CD stuff won't work. All right, so whenever someone updates a profile picture, you'll notice that it sends it somewhere, post. So it sends it to update profile. So if we go to our URLs, so we've got customer information update profile. We'll start with the customer information one because it'll be really easy to actually do. So implementation, this yada yada yada, form, file size, data submit, handle document permissions, document submit. Do we use the update customers profile picture? Oh. So that uploads the document. Flag that the document is a profile picture. So document submit dot is profile picture equals true. Document submit dot save. So that will update that. I think that's how we want it to work. Let's actually double check that. Let's actually go to a customer. Let's go here. Because it's the same thing. It isn't happening here. But we still want to flag it. Alright, so document submit is a query set. No, it isn't one. Yeah, that's going to fail. Oh no. All right. Let's browse my data. Let's get rid of this. Let's refresh this. Let's scroll down to the bottom. So that would have been for the customer. Might have to reopen the database. New object. Customer ID 2. No, it didn't do it. Okay. So that's not it. So handle document permission, let's go into that. Implementations, handle document permission. Here's a bunch of things in here. So customer ID. Okay. So document submit, that's a simple document. There's document submit. Yep. Document submit. Document permission submit. Document submit. Yeah. Okay. So, is profile picture equals false. We're gonna have to do the same thing down here. So if the parent folder equals that, if is profile picture document permission submit dot is profile picture equals is profile picture. Actually, no, we don't need the if statement. We just get rid of that. Profile document permissions is profile picture equals is profile picture. We'll just go there. And then in here, we have 0 and true. There we go. So destination, location ID. Yeah, destination location ID. Yeah, all right, cool, sweet. It's going to be as simple as that. With the URLs, profile information, update profile, we're just going to go straight to that. Go to implementation, document submit, request ID 0 for parent folder and true. Sweet. All right. Next. Update profile, organization update profile. Let's go to implementation of that. Document submit. So that will be 0 and true. All right. Next. Custom information, customer update profile. All right, we're at the start. So now for here, it's fine. If we go back to not customer search, let's go back to Far Desert. Document uploads. It's these document uploads. So what we want is list files. So in the URLs, we're going to go list files. There we go. Documentation, destination, location ID, list files, document list files. So we want to actually go towards that implementation. And what we need to do is we need to just exclude it. So we've got document permission results. Values. All right, cool. Deleted false. Is profile picture equals false. That's it. And then what will actually happen is, let's say we delete the Morgana. Let's say we delete the bike and the bike and the Max and the Joker. And we just hit refresh. Now I've got an issue with the profile picture because we deleted it down here, and that's why we also want to get rid of it. So if we have Morgana in here, so that uploads and we hit refresh, document uploads have nothing in there now. All right, sweet. So that was it. And then if we update profile picture, we just got to update where we've done it. Just so we know it's working. It looks like it's working. Sweet. All right. Git status, git add, everything from NearBeach views, git status. Git add NearBeach view, not views, sorry, NearBeach migrations. Git status, git add NearBeach models. And then what we want, Python 3 manage test. So I'm just seeing if this is going to fail. It's not at the moment, but what we want to do is we want to actually sort of fix up the migration files in there. So what we need to do is we need to remove our database. We need to Python 3 manage migrate. We need to Python 3 manage load data from our NearBeach fixtures, and then we're going to do the no setup first. We're going to go Python 3 manage migrate. All right, Python 3 manage dump data. Dump data format is JSON. We want indent is 2. And then we had a bunch of code we needed to key in there also. Was a bunch of code. I thought I bookmarked it. I must have done it on my other thing. Yeah, I know, Socks, this is annoying when I do this. Alright, let's just dump the data. Let's remove the database. Let's Python 3 manage migrate. Let's load the data. So that worked perfectly fine. All right, cool. Let's remove the database. Python 3 manage migrate. Python 3 manage load data NearBeach fixtures, and then we need basic setup. Python 3 manage migrate. I know we don't need to do it. Python 3 manage dump data indent to format JSON. We need to dump it in NearBeach fixtures basic setup. Not indent, indent. All right, so we're removing the database and we're testing this out. Python 3 manage migrate. Load data. All right, cool. Python 3 manage test. So whenever we do a migration, we've got to go through this whole entire process. I'll probably end up scripting this out because it's something quite easy to do. It's just repetitive. So that way, every single time you can just run this. And hello, how are you, Sandy Lee? Remove? Sorry, I didn't catch. I just don't have the context for the remove. Okay, git status, git add NearBeach fixtures. Okay, so we should only have static files left. Yep, cool. We want git commit bug fix just messing with A. Oh, okay. How are you, Sandy Lee? Hopefully you're going well. How's the weather? All right, git push. You're sick? Oh no, I'm sorry to hear about that. That sucks. Well, hopefully you get better soon. You've been sick many days, or is it just today? All right, ready for retesting. Oh, this is a big one. I think it started Monday. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. It sucks when you get sick. Well, I'm hoping you get better soon. Oh, sucks. Alright, cannot delete notes. I'm gonna move this one onto the other one just because I can't. I need to figure stuff out for that particular one. So with the notes, I need to figure out the CRUD, how I want the CRUD to look like. It will most likely end up being, if we go to an object, actually let's dark admin this. And we've got our notes. It will most likely look exactly like this, but with an edit functionality to it. I've got to plan this out properly, and I just haven't done it yet. So we're going to move that to the next version, and we're going to look at the current issues. Now we're down to 38. Once again, we'll ignore the top one. We're going to ignore the UI UX issue because I just don't know how to solve it yet. I need to do a little bit more studying for that one. So, link card not opening modal. Alright, I feel like we can do that one today. Oh, I hate when that happens. Just let me just click on there. Closed Kanban board can still have properties edited. We can do that one today. It's just about to turn 8 o'clock. We've still got 2 hours. Closed Kanban board can still have public links created. Dark thing creating. Oh yes, we need to fix that. Notifying users they need one of their own groups for their. All right, that one is just us editing the wording. That can be done today. That doesn't have dark mode, so we'll have a look at that. I think that's as many as I want to put on at the moment. We can quickly run through this. Around about 9:30 is when I'll stop doing the bug fixing and start doing the releasing. So we'll see how many we can actually get. So we're hoping 12 for tonight's release. Yes, socks. You coming down now? Okay. You want to scratch the butt? Okay. You want to play with your wombat? Alright, starting with this particular one. So, the linked objects, we've got a Kanban card link, and what's actually happening is it's not opening up that at all. We just need to fix this pretty quickly. So, what we'll do is we'll replicate it. We'll go to, let's list all. Let's do this. Let's link in an existing object, project. All right, we double click on this. It actually goes over to the project itself. We go to the linked objects. The idea here is this hyperlink's meant to have the card number in it. So the card number being 3. All right, so what we want to do is we want to, sorry, your tail's like there, yeah, all right. Let's open up our, so our view, our linked objects. So I'm going to close all tabs. I'm going to minimize everything. I'm going to open up this. I'm going to open up our source. I'm going to open up our JavaScript components. I'm going to open up our, now this is part of the parents module. So I'm going to open up the modules, submodules, and this will be part of linked objects. Object links. All right. So, as you see, it relates to Kanban cards. So we've got Kanban cards, link results, Kanban card. Yeah, sub-object links. So in here, we've got the confirm removal. We've actually got the, this might be harder than we originally thought. All right, let's have a look at what data we've got. So the parents module, if we open that up, configure provider, we've got the objects. Where are you? Object links. If we open you up, we've got sub-object link, sub-object link. Here it is. We've got the link results. We have card, but we don't have the card ID. Now, there's one of two fixes we can do. We can pass through the card ID. Have that as an extra attribute down here. And then have Kanban or card object links here. And essentially clone this to be exactly the same. That could potentially work. But it also means that we need to get this data to show that there. Because we don't have the card number. Oh, we got card 3. Sorry, I'm mistaken. We've got card 3. And if we hover over, it goes card information 3. Oh, we can fix this. Actually, yeah, we can keep the... This is all Django side now. So if we go into our views, our URLs, let's go to the top and go card information. We've got this card information, card ID, and what we want to do is we want to go to this implementation, get card results for a full Kanban card with that redirect. So the Kanban card ID equals this, open card on load equals card ID. So this, in theory, should be doing this. So we should be... Actually, no, we don't open it up. Yeah, alright, cool. So, let's actually test this. This is... Alright, so the reason why we don't open it up, and this is not a bug, is because this doesn't open up whatsoever. These open up, this doesn't. This automatically goes here. Alright, cool. So this is not a bug. This is a won't fix. I'm going to put not a bug. There are no modals for the linked cards. When double clicked or opened, they go to the object itself. We won't need to open this. Alright. This is a won't fix. Cool. That's fine. We figured it out. Closed Kanban boards can Closed Kanban boards can still have properties edited, so we don't want to edit any of these properties or anything like that. We want to hide all of this information. So we want to remove the add column, add level. We want to disable the double clicking, the add group to Kanban board, as user to Kanban board. We want to remove and all that kind of stuff. And create public link we want to remove too. So that's something simple to implement. So let's close all tabs. Let's minimize everything. Let's open up this. Let's open up NearBeach. Let's open up our views. Let's go to our Kanban board. Let's go to Kanban edit board. So we're passing down a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure we're passing down whether it's closed or not. So what I'll do, so with the project information, what we're actually passing through with the context is we're passing through project is closed. It's a true or false sort of thing. We're going to have to do the same thing. So, yeah. So. Kanban board closed. We're just going to put false at the moment. So edit board, the board ID, we've got all this information, get context, Kanban board ID. All right, we don't actually have the Kanban board information per se. So what I need to do, Kanban board results equals Kanban board.objects.get, where the Kanban board ID equals the Kanban board ID. Sweet. Determine if Kanban board is closed. So Kanban board is closed. Now we've got it as project is closed. So Kanban board, got to follow the same pattern. Kanban board is closed equals false right away. All right. If Kanban board results.kanban board status dot actually I don't know how the Kanban board status is set up. Let's actually have a quick look. Kanban board status, Kanban board status is closed. All right, no, we're simplifying this. Okay, just got to redo this. All right, so we're simplifying this. We can do this on the template. So open up the templates, open up the NearBeach, open up the Kanban board, open up the edit Kanban board. So in here, we can key it down into quite a lot of all of these. So if we have a look at the project one, project is closed, we got up here. Is read-only, project is closed. So we're gonna do it, so group permission, Kanban group permission, we've gotta pass it down there. Public links, we've gotta pass it down into there. Danger zone we're not worried about. That we're not worried about, that we're not worried about. All right, cool. So vbind Kanban board is closed equals Kanban, we've got the board results there. We can get it from the board results. Okay, group permissions, vbind theme equals, no, not theme, Kanban. Now we've got it as is read only equals Kanban board results dot Kanban board status. I think we've got it as, yep, equals closed. Yeah, and it's just as simple as that. And we can do it on the public links too. So what does this mean? So we now need the Kanban group permission, which will be under here. So it'll be down in our source JavaScript components, Kanban board, Kanban group permission here. So is read only is going to be of type boolean. Default is going to be false. So we're happy. Then up here, groups and users module. Now groups and users module Let's have a look at submodules. Groups and users module. I believe we have is read only passing through. Sweet. So we just key that in. Is read only equals is read only. That's got to be vbind. Perfect. All right. Now with the other one, Kanban public links. We're gonna go is read only. Its type is boolean. Default is false. And hey, Aiden Bennett, how are you, Aiden? Hopefully you're going well. Are you back yet, or still on holidays? Alright, so is read only. We're passing down that data into the Kanban, the list public links. So list public links, hopefully there is a is read only. There isn't. There should be an is read only. Is read only. We're going to have a type of boolean. Default is going to be the good old false. So that's what we'll put in. We need to actually key it in here. V if is read only equals false. Alright. Make it as simple as that. You're going well. You're back on the 19th just for math tests. Oh, fair enough. Yes, I know a math test on Friday. Oh, fair enough. A crime against humanity. Yeah. Math isn't that bad. I did remember I studied math. Okay, so you're back soon. How's your holidays going? Hopefully really well. Okay, so this, I just now need to go vbind is read only equals is read only. So that will pass through. Now I know the list public links there. We've got another bug where essentially, yeah, we've got to stop people being able to post public links and stuff like that when things are closed off. It's okay if the public link is there. Alright. Sorry. Let's close that. Let's close that. Let's edit Kanban board. Just doing one thing with my laptop. Alright. Cool. Sweet. Alright. Socks, you're always putting your tail, so I'll lean on it. Cannot pass the remainder equals close from Kanban. Alright, so there's no business logic in the template whatsoever. So it doesn't like this whatsoever. So I've actually got to do it at the top level. Not a problem. Okay, so what we need to do is see Kanban board is closed equal C. This is where we're cheating. Kanban results dot Kanban board status equals closed. All right, we're cheating. You know, this wants it like this, doesn't it? Duplicate code for one line. Piss. Holidays are going good. That's great to hear. Been chilling a fair bit with my estranged family and writing a bit of code here and there. I also bought a semi-expensive domain. Ooh, you're buying more domains again? Me, I have been just near beaching, really. I actually had a really short holiday, so I only had the week off. I've been back. This is my second week back. So yeah, we're just crunching bugs and getting ready for 031, which is going to be great news. It's my last domain this year. Famous last words. Famous last words. All right, we need Kanban board is closed. Kanban board is closed. All right, cool. Oh, we have Kanban board status. Kanban results. Kanban board results. Like so. All right. Damn it. All right. I'm just seeing one little tiny thing. Kanban board status equals closed. And if I do it like that, hopefully that will, I mean, unless I somehow end up with a spare 2K to buy this domain so I can stop using .app. Oh, fair enough, yeah. I mean, I don't mind the .app domains. NearBeach is on one. So we got prod.nearbeach.app. With our latest version that we've released today, and we're going to do another release later today. Which is feeling weird. Cannot pass the remainder equals closed from Kanban board status closed. Ooh, alright. Okay. Yeah, no, it doesn't like that. Oh, hang on a minute. I might be doing something silly, because this is slightly business logic-y. That's the NearBeach. Yeah, alright, no. I'm overly complicating this. Once again, Django makes it so that there's no business logic whatsoever within these. So what I got to do, Kanban board is closed. Let's get rid of all of this. Kanban board is closed. Alright, cool. I don't mind them. I think a .com one is one I should have anyway, even if I still use the .app. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. So I've got a .org and a .app. So the NearBeach.org is the marketing sort of stuff, marketing and tools, whereas the .app is the application itself. So I think that's a good way of doing it. We hit refresh now. This... Yep, alright, cool. So that's working as intended. Then vbind. Actually, no, we were going to do that next. So the Kanban board is closed. We need to go into here. See, Kanban board is closed equals see Kanban board. And we had it as status equals closed. And I think that's a elegant way of doing that. And there we go. And if we close this Kanban board, this is when we need to start closing everything off. So if we actually go back into it and refresh, we found issue public links for this object. Request failed with 403. We'll fix that up in a minute. Alright, we'll have to fix that up. But first... is read-only false. Alright. let's bump that there. Hit refresh. So we've got C column results. I'm just going to open this up. So we've got Kanban board results, column results, board ID. Kanban board status is closed. All right, so if we bump over, this now should have Kanban board status is closed, true. Oh. No, we need to convert this. All right, so the problem is languages between Django and well, Django and JavaScript is the fact that true and false are a bit different. So Python has capital T's and so forth like that. So we're actually going to do something like this. Determine convert the closed status into JavaScript boolean. All right, so if C Kanban board status equals closed, what we're going to do is we're going to go the C Kanban board is closed equals true. Else, we're just going to copy this, we're going to paste it in, and we're just going to type in false. And we're going to remove this line up here. So not as elegant as we wanted it, but yeah, we've got a conversion problem. We hit refresh. That gets rid of that, that gets rid of that. We're happy. We're going to fix up this very quickly. The JSON dump should take care of that for you. It doesn't. Sadly doesn't. It's not the only time we've had that issue. So, yeah. And how are you, Nocturnal? How are you going? All right, sorry, we got to fix this up. So what we're going to do, I'm going to close all tabs. I'm going to, yeah, it sadly doesn't. I can revert it. Won't take me too long to revert. So I'll put that up there. I'll just comment these out. All right, and if we hit refresh and we actually view page source, we'll scroll down. We've got the capital T's. So yeah, is read only, and we've got a capital T. Yeah, all good. Yeah, it's just one of those annoying things. But not a problem. It's, I mean, we can technically just go to lower. Can we do that in the template itself? Python to lower. Is another way around it. Ah, no, didn't like it. Hang on. All right. Oop, I keep refreshing the wrong page. Yeah. Ah, no. Let's just. Oh, you bet. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's not going via the API. Yeah. So, yeah, that's why I am doing this. So it just converts it. It's not a big. It's only 4 lines. It's fine. And there we go. everything works fine now. So we just need to fix up this public link stuff. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to go list public links, import is read only, bool, default false. All right, cool. So this, I'm going to reopen. Yes. Going to create a public link. All right, cool. We've got those working. I'm going to close the Kanban board. Yes. Going to go back here. It's removed this. This is not having any issues. Okay, cool. This is not having any issues. Sweet. We now need to just solidify this so no one can double click any of that. And and those two buttons are gone. So what we need to do is we need to go into the components. Here they are. Sorry, I just brains all over the spot. Edit board. So with the double click, we have to do that at the this level. So vbind is read only equals is read only, and we'll pass down the is read only. Default false. All right, so up here, Kanban views. Sorry, edit board. Equals, and then we've got the Kanban board is closed. All right, cool. So that's simple as it passes through that. And then what we want to do, we'll pass it down further. We do nothing at this particular level because if we have a look at the edit Kanban board, we pass it down to Kanban property order. So Kanban property order, we want to scroll all the way down. Props is read only. This will be a simple, once again, type boolean. Default is going to be false. All right, cool. I want to grab that Kanban property order. I want to place it in that one too. Sweet. Straight off the bat. All right, we don't want to deal with delete when it's read only. So v if is read only equals false. All right, straight off the bat. That's good. Otherwise, going up. Draggable. Can drag cards. Go to this implementation, return state can drag cards. All right. Yeah, because when we edit this, this will all be locked up and all that kind of stuff. So, let's go in the VueJS type of thing. So, scrolling back up to the top. Can drag cards or is read only. So can drag cards will be true. That would be false if we want to drag it around. And then, yeah, we need the is read only. Yeah. And then when we handle the double click, edit item, if read only, ignore. If is read only, return. All right. Simple as that. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to remove that add button, add column. Save changes. All right, draggable. All of that is draggable. We don't want it the draggable. Add property name. So what we need is a simple v if is read only equals false. All right, cool. Wait for that to compile, and then we'll hit refresh. All right, cool. So those have disappeared. We're now back to this. We won't be able to drag any of this because this is all in lockdown mode. However, if I go back to reopen Kanban board and go yes, okay, I can create a public link. I can add users. I can add more groups. I can add a column. Can remove stuff, and I can edit stuff. And then I can lock up cards. All right, sweet. So we just fix this one up. So we just want to copy this. We want to go into our git status. Git add everything under source. I'm just double checking that that's all we needed to add. Yep, git commit bug fix. Pretty sure I've got that. Close count, yep. And git push. All right. What? Next bug done. Ready for retest. Sweet. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've done 7 so far tonight. That's great. We knocked also one out before as a won't complete. So, closed Kanban board can still have public links created. All right, this is at the card level. So if we go back to the Kanban board, you can edit. You can open up these. Is this closed? No, I reopened it. All right, cool. If we go back to Kanban board, edit this, public links, we can still do this. So on the card information, so we go in here. I don't know what's gone wrong with that. Let's just refresh the whole page. Let's hit refresh. Alright, that was weird. Open this up. So, card information. Yeah, this is gone weird. Excuse me 1 second. So, card information. We click on public links. So that will be under public links, list public links right here. Is read-only false. So we're passing down nothing at the moment. If we click on card information, we don't have any information whatsoever. Let's have a look at the Vuex. We've got the card information here. Kanban status equals closed. All right, so we do actually have the Kanban status. So we can kind of pass it into there. So let's do that. So what we need is the card information, which will be up here. So card information. Actually, I'm going to close all tabs. Only focus on what we need. Card information. Bunch of stuff in here. List public links. However, we've got Kanban card in here. We've got this. We just copy this. Paste it in. Is read only. That's it. Presto. And then if we open it up again, presto. All right, fixed. Super easy bug. Git status, git add everything under source, git commit, bug fix. Oh, keep typing bug fucks. Git push. All right, cool. Ready for retesting. All right, all right, cool. Let's say that again. Dark mode theme, creating an organization under the new object is hard to read. Yes, it is. So what we need to do is we need to change that text. So if we go to, let's close all of these tabs. We don't need them open anymore. Let's close this for the moment. Let's close this. Let's go under new project. And we've got this. So we've got text instructions and then A. So that, let's key that in. Let's go text instructions, and then we've got A, and then we've got the RGB. Now that's not going to work anymore because we've got the themes. So what we need to do is we need to go down into our themes. So in our SAS, we've got themes. Let's have a look at dark theme. There you go. BS link color. So var BS link color. Yep, cool. That's it. That's all we needed to do. Should be lighter. There you go. All we needed to do. And that will affect everywhere. So that was a one-line fix. Git status, git add source, git commit, bug fix. Git push. All right. This is just ready for retesting. A lot of these bugs from now on will be very quick and easy to do like this. This is the time where we are breaking the 5 rule because we don't want to do 5 releases in one night. Small tiny fixes where we can just do a sweeping fix of all these quick and easy things. All right, so notify users that they need to select one of their own groups for new objects. All right, cool. So this has the text, no user groups are included. You'll need to add permissions for this. Yeah, all right, cool. We just need to change that text. So what we need to do is we go into here and we, this might be best to actually log in as, actually no, it should work with this particular user. If we do that, there we go. So we're going to copy that. We're going to actually paste that in. We're going to remove that end line. We're going to remove that front line. We're going to go in directory. And we're just going to do source. So it's just under group permissions. All right, no problem. What we want to do, go here. The above message should relay that the object requires one of their groups, otherwise the object created. So none of your, yep, all right, cool. We came up with this text. All right. None of your users were included. You will not have permissions to create this object. Please select one of your own groups. All right, cool. So that will work with new tasks. That will work with new project. Yep, all right, cool. One line fix. This was a little bit of a nitpick. So bug fix, all right. Paste that in, git push. All right. All right. This is ready for retesting. The 403 access denied page does not have a dark theme. Oh, I thought I had a all right. All right. I thought I had a test page for the 400 and 500 issues, so I'm just double checking that right now. We need the URLs. Possibly not. I've got test permission denied. There we go. So what's actually happening here is it's not passing any information whatsoever. Also down here, error views, so forth like that. So we need to go to error views. We just need to pass through the theme. I'll get theme request. Forbidden 403 HTML. NearBeach partial that. Inspect. Oh, no, sorry. View page source. Haven't I implemented this correctly? All right, let's have a look. Let's just close all tabs at the moment. Let's open up the error views. Let's also open up the Kanban views. Oh, have I not pushed the git status? Git add NearBeach templates. Git add NearBeach views. Git status. This is why I got to double check to make sure all of these are statuses. Okay, git commit. Forgot to attach these for the Kanban board fix. All right, simple fix. All right, so what we need to do, Kanban boards theme equals get theme. So we technically have it there. Are we not passing it down to the 403? Let's do project. Because yeah, that should be passing it. Is it because of that? Oh yeah, I've got to do the 500 one. Yeah, I'm using dark. Test permission denied. Oh, oops, in project. All right, test permission denied. Let's go to it. Oh. .403, access denied. You do not have permission for this page. All right, and this just goes to yeah. All right, so it always goes to permission denied, which is this 403. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go theme equals get theme request. All right, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to remove it from here and go theme to make sure it's all been passed down. So I'm just going to hit refresh. Error 403, 404. 403 is permission denied, thank you. All right, close all the tabs. .403. All right. Whilst the ad breaks are on, so I am going to run and grab myself a drink. I will be back in 2 minutes. Start. Stop. Reset. Start. All right. Cool. Back. I am just turning on the light. There we go. Cool. All right. Gonna stop, reset. Okay. You don't have access to this page. P theme. Yeah, it's coming through as nothing. Oh, it's annoying. Yeah, I know, it is annoying. It should be going through those correctly. Instead, it's just going and using the template. What's the matter, Socks? Oh, alright. Damn. What if I do something tricky and go a 404? Still using the 403 template. Alright, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to hit refresh. It sucks. Now I'm going to put a debug there. Gonna... the following two imports are for the static files, 404 and that. Oh. Okay, let's have a look at my local URLs. That's fine. Looks like the handle is working. Yeah, I know, sweetie. You can't just keep meowing and then run off. Sorry, Socks is just meowing like there's no tomorrow. And I feel like standing right now. Alright, cool. I'm just going to put that over there. Just going to double check on the music to... Alright, cool. Yeah, this is one of those 24-hour ones. Alright. I don't know what's going on here. So I'm going to put an implementation. Go to implementation. I'm just going to rerun the debug. What is going on? I got her. So there's our forbidden response and so forth like that would, but the breakpoint's not being hit. Oh. Hi, Pipfin, how are you? Hopefully you're going well. Oh, there goes Socks. She's just about to leap halfway across the room. Okay. Oh, there it go. Alright. How are you going? Hopefully you're going well. Okay, we'll put that there for the moment. All right, in your bed. Thanks. Okay, 1, 3, 4. I'm gonna put them in your bed. Oh, there's one. Ah, yep, in your bed. I'm gonna need to get some more treats. Alright, while she's eating the treats, I am gonna buy more treats. You're feeling much better? That's great to hear. So I take it the doctor gave you something. Okay. Sorry, I am just ordering treats. Okay, yep, that'll do it. Sweet. On antibiotics, okay. Lungs were all crackly, so I had a right chest infection. Oh, damn. But luckily you're getting better. I'm glad you are getting better. Glad the antibiotics are working. And hopefully you're back doing cartwheels soon. Actually, I don't know if you know. I don't know if I can't even speak. I don't know if you can do cartwheels. I just assume everyone can. I can't. I can't do a cartwheel whatsoever. Did you find the mole socks? Good girl. Alright, we'll get back into it. And scratch our heads at why we can't debug this. Alright, handle 403, request args, vargs. Wait, I'll go to the... My guess is that your views return a response forbidden instead of raise. Only permission denied exception gets handled by the 403. Response forbidden is returned as is. Yeah, alright. Return. Let's just copy that. Okay, one. We need the latest documents. Permission denied except is raised when the user does not perform. Alright, cool. So what we need is from Django.core. Whatever it said it was. Exceptions. Import. Permission denied. Then t.render c request. Alright. Let's just do something like this. Return HTTP, response forbidden, arg, arg, arg. Don't know if that will work. Still giving me that. Am I implementing this somewhere else? I am on localhost. All right. In directory, NearBeach views. It's the only place. Only place I'm doing it. Okay. Pro3.html. We're just going to do this in project. Where's this one? This is part of the build. So I don't want that. So remove our build. Remove our dist. Okay. Gonna hit refresh. So 403.html. In that, we've also got it in the error views. Well, that's fine. But we know we're hitting this because we edited this. Why am I doing something stupid? In project 403 HTML. All right. I don't know what's going wrong here. Oops, forgot to put this back. Alright, cool. Alright, so I don't know what's going on here. I don't know why we're not hitting this particular thing whatsoever. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the test permission denied. Going to go to implementation. The check permission denied. Going to go to that implementation. I'm going to click on this and we're going to find out what's going wrong. Going to hit this. All right, cool. Here we are. Yay. We're going to go forward. Exception, response. Exception, response is none, raise. Response, get response. Test, yep. Alright, forbidden status 403, text, yep, alright, cool. We're going to return the response. We've got the response or self-response. So we've got the response being forbidden. Yep. All right. Cool. Has attribute process response. It has process. So self process. Yep. All right. Returns response. Response get response. Okay. We're jumping through this multiple times. Oh, somewhere new. This message. Yep. All right. Turn response. All right. Yep. Huh. Weird. Okay. I want to try one thing. You got to run the npm run watch. I think I know why it's not reaching that. I think it just doesn't. But I want to check the other ones out too. So let's go to an admin. Let's upload a document. Let's upload the Joker. Let's I actually wanted to copy that link. Copy link. Let's open this in a new tab. Cool, cool. Let's go for team leader. They don't have permission for that whatsoever. They shouldn't have permission for this. So page not found 404. Now the one problem is this is in debug mode. We need to actually get out of debug mode. So the one way to do that, go into local, go into settings. We actually just have it debug. We're just gonna go false. We'll change this back. Don't you worry. We'll reset everything. So it's like that. And then if we hit refresh, we're having problems with the, oh damn it. It's the static files. Okay. But that's fine. What we'll do is we'll view page source. Yeah, the theme doesn't do jack. We'll have the views, error views. We've got the 404. We've got that on there on the 404, and it does nothing. It's rendering the correct template. It's just not passing down any of the themes or anything like that, which is somewhat annoying. So we'll just do that anyway. Delete that, get that, paste it in. We need to do the tiny mouse one too. Okay. This is... What changes have we made? Really nothing whatsoever. Get reset hard. Okay, that one's probably going to be... Yeah. Gonna have to research that one. So I'm just gonna put no version at the moment. Gonna put in had issues trying to debug this. It looks like it is bypassing it weirdly. Don't know how or why. Alright, so what we want to do, my current issues, it's just hit 9 o'clock. We can get a couple more out of here. So with the idea being at 9:30, I kind of start stopping with the bugs and then we start doing a release. So yeah. Okay. Dashboard. Project status is not appearing. Let's do that one. Linked objects tasks not showing. Showing correctly. Alright, the following linked objects tasks are missing the correct statuses. Alright, yep. We can do that one very quickly. Alright, Socks, what's the matter? Yeah, come on. You've had your treats. Say thank you. You gonna say thank you? Alright. Okay. We'll get the business sign on it in a minute. New requirement item, not sending new images to backend. Yeah, we'll have a look at that one. We'll just do those 3 at the moment. I think if that takes 10 minutes each, that will bring us up to 9:30, and then we'll think about doing the release. And that would make that up to 14 bugs. If I do another 10 tomorrow, that's 24. That will bring this down. Alright, cool. Yeah, the idea is we want to crunch a lot of these bugs. The good news is a lot of these bugs, as you see, are just one lines or something like that. There, we are bumping into the harder ones where we need a lot more work, but that's fine. If we get rid of a lot of easy ones, we'll focus on those. So dashboards, let's go back up here. So dashboard project status not appearing correctly. It's pretty easy. So yeah, just down here for the tasks and so forth like that. So that's unassigned objects. So that will be unassigned objects. In project, all right, directory. So get unassigned objects. It's going to be as simple as editing this and adding that in, because now we've got the we've got the extra table. All right. And I think we need to do get assigned objects to get my objects. Like so. All right, sweet. Now it's showing nothing. That's a bit concerning. It's new. Alright, I think... Oh, alright, cool. Yep, I've also got to edit the... this thing here. So part of the view stuff. So if we go to components, we go not my objects, but unassigned objects. We have all this data, but we need to change the we need to change this status. Project variables to project status. Yeah, alright, cool. Where have we done that? So I'm just having a quick think where this will affect anywhere else. So this is dashboard unassigned object. Yeah, that's fine. It won't affect it anywhere else. So we want to go to source, JavaScript, components, dashboard. We want to my objects and unassigned objects. So both will actually have the same sort of thing in here. What we need to do is just update it in here. So we need to go under project status. Under task status, and same with this one too. So under project status, under task status. All right, cool. Waiting just a few seconds, and that will just fix everything up. There we go, done. And then if we start assigning stuff. That should have assigned that. Oh, I'm dark admin. That's why I didn't do it. But yeah, that should work up there. Add source, git add NearBeach views, git status. It's all just static files from here. Git commit m bug fix. And git push. Sweet. So that's another ready for retesting. Go to the next one. So linked objects tasks not showing the status correctly. So if we go to, let's say this one, linked objects. Let's just create a new link. Let's do a project. Let's just do relates to. Let's do requirements. Let's add them all in. Let's get them all fixed all at once. I need a new task. All right, we've fixed up the bottom one. Looks like it's only project now. So if we go to network and go link, object link, you'll notice it's the bottom one. Actually, let's just delete all this. Let's reload. Let's object link list, relate task. This is the task, parent link task. Yep. All right, cool. Yep. If we open up, yeah, object status is one for the project. So yeah, we've just got to quickly edit stuff. So that will be object link list. So we're just going down here. Just looking for the project side of things. So status, data point, object status. Yeah, it should be project status. Wait. Should be that. Wait a few seconds, hit refresh. Linked objects, all done. Perfect. Alright, that's a bug fix. what we want to do, paste that in. All right. Okay. Ready for retesting. New requirement item, not sending new images to backend. Now this might be a tricky one, or it might be a very quick one. So let's actually redo it. So log into NearBeach, go to an existing requirement, create a new requirement off the new requirement. In the tiny mouse bar editor, let's drag and drop something in. So we want to go into find object. Let's find a new requirement. Let's go into here. We've got our network tab up. It's going to delete everything. We're going to do that. I'm going to be like requirement item. What is a new requirement item? I'm going to add it in a new image. Oh, we don't have the image thing there. That's a bit weird. Going to go to our usual pictures, our usual profile pictures. We're going to drag the Joker in. Yeah. That's not sending anything upstream. Data. What is thou? And Socks, are you okay? Really? Give me 2 minutes. Sorry, I am just going to make sure Socks has enough food. I won't be long. Alright, I don't know what she's complaining about. Alright. Cool, so what's happening here is this isn't uploading whatsoever. So we need new requirement item wizard. So we're going to close all these tabs. We're going to go... We're also going to double check something. So if we duplicate this tab, requirement item, go to a requirement item. When we upload an image... We're going to have our network over here. We're going to go upload. We're going to upload the Joker again. You'll notice that it uploads against the requirement item number 2, which is this one, and upload. So that will happen here too. Except this will be... Oh, this might be a workaround for something. Okay. So I'm just trying to think. So in reality, this new requirement item wizard Alright, with new items, what usually happens is a UEID gets sent up with it. However, with this particular one, we could get away with using just the requirement ID, because I do believe... So even though we sent up the data with the requirement item number in it, and we're stating this is a requirement item to upload, if we have a look at the database, The latest one, which would be 6.7D. You'll notice that the permission is on requirement item ID. Alright, it is actually put on that. So we will need to upload it with a new object UUID. And then assign the images and all that kind of stuff to it. Okay. So at the moment, what is happening is we'll have this, yada yada. We'll have that, we'll save the requirement. If we go into this, this is where it uploads the image. So it saves it as a base 64 until you go into here, and then it does this. This is a workaround for it. Alright. I think we can fix this, but this is going to be a very big one. I think we can squeeze in a couple more quick bugs tonight. We're definitely going to shift this one to the next one. What we'll have to do is we'll have to see if the UUID will work for this. So every single time someone clicks on the new thing, it brings up a UUID. What will actually happen is that UUID gets sent to the back end when someone tries uploading a picture. All fun and dandy. Then when they create that thing, it actually gets that UUID and assigns those images to the correct object. That is how it should work, and I think it will slot in well. I've just got to double check a lot of things. I think this is I don't know if this is missed or if I purposely did this way because of an issue. But I would prefer to keep it the same sort of consistency throughout the whole thing. Okay. No. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bump this one to the next version. We're going to have a quick look at the current issues. We're going to bump the priorities like that. So close requirement items can still have public links. Yeah, we can do that one very, very quickly. Requirement links now showing status incorrectly. We'll have a quick look at that one. And then public links for requirements have issues with statuses and types. Ooh, we'll have a look at, we'll hopefully get to that one. So let's jump back into here. If we finish these two, it means we get 14 changes, which will be good. Okay, close requirement items. Let's have a look. So they can still do that. So close requirement items can still have that. Let's see. If we go review, let's say finished, update. So we can still do that. Whereas we can't do everything else. We just need to pass down the is read only. So we need to go to the parents module, I do believe. Let's double check that. Parents module, yeah. Wrong one. We want to go source, JavaScript components, modules. Submodules, parents module. Scroll all the way down. MISC module. I can't add tags. Testing. but I can when it's like this. So list tags module. The hell am I doing? Add tags wizard. Okay. We're looking at user level. That's how we're doing it. So if we go finished, update requirement, let's have a look at the Vuex. User level is 1. Yep. All right. So with the list public links. We've got the isRead only. We don't have the user level in here whatsoever. Alright. So create public link. So isRead only is false. And user level is greater than 1. That should do it. So it has to meet those 2 conditions. Under misc, nothing. And then when we go user acceptance, which restarts everything, boom. All right. Bug fix. Alright. GitHub found one vulnerability on NearBeach default branch, moderate to visit. Ooh, alright. NPN. Oh god, there's gonna be like thousands of differences and alright. Yep. Cool. Alright. That was quick and easy. So was this one. So submitted, ready for retesting. Going back here, we're going back to this one. Requirement links now. Yep, all right, cool. Requirement item link. Let's go to this one proper. So log into NearBeach, open up requirement, scroll to the requirement links. So go to requirement links. Create a link. Let's create one for project. Let's create one for task. All right, we need it for task. I'm just gonna hit refresh. So object link. Link list, we've got 2. So this will be object type, object status is 1. All right, sweet. We just need to go to object link list, which is here. I'm pretty sure we keep going to this one and we just missed it out. So that's, yeah, it's just here. We should have picked this one up before. Task status. Like so, that one's correct, that one's correct. Meta object status. Alright, cool. Perfect. Alright, git status, git add NearBeach views, git commit bug fix. All right, so that was ready for retesting. We can push a few more. Let's do this. Okay, so public link requirements have issues. Yep, cool. Task information using old error modal. I don't know why that's. Okay, yeah, we can get rid of that pretty quickly. We can do these two very quickly. Sorry, I'm just getting a message. Okay. Cool. Let's quickly do these two. Public links for alright, sweet. So what we want to do, we want to exit out of that. We want to find all. We want to go to project. We want to scroll down to our MISC. We want to create a public link. Let's copy that. Let's open it up in a unknown container. Paste and go. So what's actually happening? This is wrong. So the project status is wrong. So what we need to do very, very quickly, and this is very easy to do, we minimize everything. We open this up. We go to NearBeach. We go to our templates. We go to NearBeach. We go to our public. We go to our public information. So we're passing down information in. So project results. This should be the exact same as the project information here. We don't have group results. That's new project. Sorry, wrong one. It should be copied and pasted from here. So project results, default stakeholder, organization results, project is closed. Status options is what we're missing. I hate how this can't decide what level of indentation it wants it to be at. All right. So, still hasn't passed that information down. We now need to do that at the view level. So we want to go to the views. We want to open them up. We want the public views. And we also want the project views, because what we can actually do with the project views is we can grab the status options. All right. And with the public views, get public link result. Yep. We just need to do it for good implementation. All right. Well, Alright, this isn't going to be complicated. What's actually happened here is I tried doing something generic. It looks like, no, we need something a little bit more. So, get public context. Element no PQR. Alright. Just going to minimize this. Internal function. So, def get public context projects. We've got our results. All right, sweet. That's fine. We'll pull that in. I've just lost it, haven't I? There we go. So I want to paste this here. Okay, and then what I want is, if I have a look at the public information, I want the status options to be status options. Sweet. Now I need to actually get this data in and so forth like that. So that won't be too hard to do. So straight off the bat, the models, public link, list of requirements. So list of project statuses. Like so. As for the F, that will be from Django dot database dot, no, it's contribute dot tell you what, I have forgotten. But if we hover over it, it'll be like, more actions. Import this name, import this name. Alright, object data. No, it would be under project views. Database models. Okay, so it is from Django database models import F. Cool. Then what we need to do is we need to find that big giant if statement. This one. What we need to do, else if destination equals project, then we will go C equals get public project, and then results. And yeah, so all of these will have slightly different context. It's just being fed through the same machine, and it, yeah, depending on what it is, depends what we need, and so forth like that. Now that should not crash that. Expect. Oh, yep. So if we have a look at project views, what did we call it? It was statuses, wasn't it? Oh, just done the wrong one, didn't I? There we go. Status options. What we need to actually do is actually do this instead. So if we go to the public views, we scroll down, we see it there, we just go, all right, cool. JSON dumps it. And then we hit refresh. Presto, there we go, we've got all that done. So that one was a bit more complicated. Alright, so get status, git add NearBeach templates, git add NearBeach views, git status. I don't think, do we add anything else in? No, git commit bug fix, paste this in, do that, go git push. Cool, done. All right, this one is now ready for retesting. We go back to our code. We got this one, the public link task's not showing the correct status. That's going to be the exact similar thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to close all tabs. It's just easy to do that. We're going to do this. We're going to go scrolling all the way to that if statement. That's project views. Sorry, I should do public views. We're going to scroll all the way to that if statement. And what we're going to put in here is elif destination equals task. And then C equals get public context task. And then we're just going to put in the results like so. That doesn't exist at the moment, but that's perfectly fine. So what we're going to do, that's public link, that's public. All right, so this is an internal function. So this is def get public context task, and we just need request. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to, with the general one, we're just going to paste it in like so. All right, easy done. Oh, no, we're not. I'm going to undo all that. We're going to cry a little. Going to get this because it'll have the same structure like so, and that's meant to be results. All right, so what we want is task. We want task information like so. And we want this status stuff. It's just easier to copy and paste it in. Then the other thing we want from here is essentially the status options. All right. Oh, and hello, Dunosoro. Terribly sorry if you just hit that ad when you said hello. I don't know if you're there or not. So yes, welcome, welcome. I hope you are enjoying my content. We'll wait until this has finished. It's about 35 seconds off, you know. Misc, create public link, copy that link, open up in a brand new container, paste and go. All right, list of task statuses not defined. Yeah, we'll fix that very quickly. That's as simple as us going GG and then going down here, list of task statuses. All right, sweet. Anyway, welcome back everyone, and hello, Dunosoro. Welcome, welcome. I do hope you are enjoying my content. So yes, welcome. I don't know if you got that ad or not, so if you've been welcomed twice, that's fine. So, all right, now we didn't do that we haven't. All right, we now need to edit the template itself. So if we go to tasks, new tasks, you'll see that we've got a status, group results. That's new tasks, sorry. We should have status options. So we need to copy that and go into public task information and just paste it in like so. That's just a template change, so we can just refresh that very quickly. Presto, done. All right, we are happy. So this one is now ready for retesting. We're going to push the code right this second. So git status, git add NearBeach templates, git add NearBeach views, git status, double check that there's no other things apart from static, git commit, bug fix, git push. All right, sweet. All right, so with supercharge your teams by giving direct access to our new AI assistant. The assistant is powered by JetBrains AI services that transparently connects you to a range of large language modules and enables specific AI-powered features. Not now. I cannot pay for that. All right, so we've got 16 bugs that that was fixed tonight. A lot of them are pretty simple and stuff like that. So that's pretty good for the last 3 hours and 10 minutes. 16 bugs. So let's just bump that down to 3 hours. That will be, for each hour, that'll be 5 point something. So just over, I think, 12 minutes. Approximately 12 minutes a bug, which is pretty good. We've still got 27 left, but hey, gotta figure out why this one isn't working, and yeah, I need input for that one. But yeah, we'll crunch all of this. That's easy to get rid of. RFC validation, it's unclear which fields on this tab. Oh yeah, that's pretty easy to do. That's just us putting in the renderer. New RFC error toast disappeared too quickly. That's easy to fix. That's us to, yeah, we just need to quickly, that's a 10-second fix. Dark mode, RFC, yep, all right, cool. So yeah, we've got a couple, quite a quick, easy ones for the next couple of days. And then it's just depreciating a bunch of stuff. These minor ones I probably won't do until 0.31. So yeah, when we actually get to start doing that one, which it's getting really, really close. I've got to start looking at all the requirements and all that kind of stuff for it. So yeah, that's gonna be a lot of work. I'm pretty excited for it. Hopefully it won't take me 6 months or 7 months like getting to 0.30 did. So that was a lot of work. Yeah. Anyway, let's first off the bat stop this. Git checkout NearBeach static. Git status. All right, cool. Git checkout main. Git pull. So we're now going to do the release. The release won't take us too long to do. Git checkout development 0.30.33. Git merge in the main. So the main will merge stuff in. So that's pretty easy to do. And then all we need is NearBeach.read the docs. We're actually going to minimize this and drag it over here. We're going to have this sort of like over here. So I'm going to put that over there for the moment. I'm sorry, I can't read chat, but I've got it on the screen over there. So, procedures, deployment of NearBeach. What we want to do is, we've just done that one, run any audit tools. So, npm audit. All right, it didn't find anything. Remove the build and dist. All right, they're removed. See, I am going to do it like this. I think that's better. Yeah, cool. Oops. All right. Update the version numbers. So what we need to do, minimize everything, open up NearBeach. We want to open up our package.json. We want to change this to a 33. And we want to change the one under NearBeach init to also 33. Close all tabs. All right, we've just done that. Update the version number. Make sure you're using the current. Yep, we are. Run the tests. So Python 3 manage tests. Even though we did this earlier today, we're still doing it just in case. Because we have been editing quite a lot. All right, that is done. Sweet. Now we run npm run unit test. So this one takes a little bit longer. It's just doing the boilerplate type of thing at the moment, which is fine. All right, didn't find any issues whatsoever. I do need to add more unit tests very shortly, and I think 0.31 we're gonna really sit down and add in quite a lot. Yeah, I do want to get the backend coverage up to 80 and the front end coverage up to about 60. It'll just take a long time to do. All right, compile the JavaScript, npm run prod. Now for the next one, we need an instant running. All right, cool. All right, npm run end to end. Now we know this fails on the WebKit fails on Ubuntu. When we move to 2404, hopefully that will be fixed. So we're ignoring the WebKit. So Chrome's all working, all that's working, ignoring the WebKit. Chrome's all working. All right, cool. There's an image thing. I'm not going to go through it. I went through it today anyway. I haven't done anything with the dark thing and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Anyway, set up. No, we don't need to do that. That should be pip list outdated. This is just to show us what packages we don't actually have up to date at the moment. It doesn't really matter that much. Pip install upgrade basta boto 3 boto core more editor tools url lib 3. We just update them so we got the latest for our next dev cycle. That's all we do. So going through all of that, yep, done, sweet. Our next thing is the Python 3 setup.py sdist vdist wheel. Now, when we do the 0.31, this step will be excluded because we'll get GitHub Actions to actually do the deployment. So Python 3 twine upload dist repository, if I spell that correctly, NearBeach. All right. Just doing that right now. Sorry, this takes a little while to do. Yeah. It's just uploading stuff. Alright, so it's done the first one. I'm looking at my bitrate. My bitrate looks like it's fine. Alright, I'm happy. It's uploading the second one. Cool. Alright, it's just doing its thing. Sorry, just taking a while. I could stretch, I can do this, I can dance. That's all I can really do waiting for this. At least it's not doing it at 10 kilobytes per second. It is doing it at 280, which is it's quite slow. NearBeach it's uploading 18.3 megabytes. So yeah, it's not exactly huge, but it's not exactly tiny. All right, so that has been released. So if we actually jump on to pypi.org now and search for NearBeach, we'll find that version number is wrong, but that takes a little while to update. So this number is now correct. And as you see, 8 hours ago, we actually did a release. So we're doing 2 releases in a day. We're getting ahead of ourselves. So we're doing a compare and pull request. Now I am closing that because I no longer need it. I am going to halve the screen so you guys get to see that I actually had that over there. What I'm doing is I'm going to put that over there. I'm going to I'm going to have to do this the difficult way, don't I? No, give me a couple of seconds. Sorry. The way I've got to do this. Okay, cool. That will work. So I can close this, I can close this, I can close this. I can keep that open for a little longer. I can close this. Alright, cool. So this is just bug fixes tonight. No. So what I've got to do, put these in ID order. Click on the top one. Copy. Paste. It's the joys of just doing this. Actually, did we push? No, we didn't. Alright, I've mucked up there. Let's escape out of that. Let's not touch it. Alright, git add everything. Git commit. Release 0.30.33. Git push. Okay, this is why you read the instructions. But yeah, once again, a lot of this will be automated. Essentially, I set up everything, I'll push it. And then GitHub Actions will take care of a lot of everything else. So we're currently going to be developing the flow around that. So yeah, can hit refresh. I'm going to minimize that this time. All right, 18 seconds ago. So 1, 2, 3. All right, cool. It kept that. Yes, sucks. 4, 5. I don't know why I'm counting these now. All up, 16 bugs were fixed today. Pretty happy about that. Sucks. Give me 2 seconds. Yes, I know. Come here. Yes, meow. There we go. You're now in your bed. So I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Yeah, I've just got to double check all of this once I do it all, because I don't want to accidentally miss a bug in here. Okay, so We've done that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, sweet. That is awesome news. I can now bring that out and put that back there. I can squeeze you guys over there. I am going to create the pull request. I'm going to be naughty. Because those would have taken forever and I'm not waiting for them. Alright, cool. So another thing which I forgot to do is I'm copying this. Copying all of that. Cancel. I'm going to go NearBeach. So, create a new release. Yep. So push the code. Yep, we've done that. Do a pull request. Yep, we've done that. So now we're going to do a new release. Paste that in. So we just do the tag, generate release notes. Yep, that's all done. Pre-release, done that. General, push release, and that's it. So this is now doing the CDN sort of stuff for us. And then all we got to do is NearBeach Docker, NearBeach Docker. Then we edit the workflows. We do the base. No, not the base, the image, sorry. Yeah. All right. Cool. That's all we need to do for that. Once again, a lot of this will be automated in the near future. So I'm looking forward to it being automated. We're just crunching a bunch of those bugs very, very quickly. Oh, I just created a pull request. Oh. All right, merge, yep. All right, confirm merge, yep. Delete branch. All right, that was my bad. All right. Let's check the actions. Merge pull requests. What? Yeah, it's building the Docker image now. So yeah, that won't take too long to do. In fact, it takes I think about 5 minutes. It's not long at all. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. All right, let's go into here. Let's fix all these up. So now we're at the administration side of this stream where we just fix up everything. We're like, yeah, this is all fixed. This is all fixed. This is all fixed. Yep, this is all fixed. Yes. All right. So it's all fixed. What I want to do is I want to get rid of that from there because we don't need it in our filters anymore. We currently have 3 that we've put into the next one, which we want to have a look at. The object data one is going to be huge. In fact, I might move that. I think it's too dangerous. I think I might move that till when we're doing the 031. Which reminds me, if I do the custom fields, I'm going to put that in right now because I feel like we're getting really, really close to actually starting that. No, I didn't want that. I wanted to expand that, and I wanted to go versions, and I want to go alpha. No. Alpha 0.31.0. I don't know if we'll end up doing this many releases. We can just, yeah, don't worry about don't take those numbers seriously at the moment. What I want to do here is I want to click on this and I want to go 31.0. Save as new. 31. Fuck off. Excuse my French. I'm clearly editing something and it just wants to pop something up. All right, so that's exciting news. Okay, whilst we're doing this, NearBeach.org, Embraco. We've got to update the bugs. So the count of bugs. So currently, if we go to my current issues, it's 27. So 27, we've got 2 currently slated. This one, we're slating for that, so we're not worried about that. This one, I've got to do research. We can slate as many as we want, I think. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 normal ones in there. I mean, it's possible that we could get a lot of that all done next time too. And then worry about the access denied themes and stuff like that till 31. Yeah, and then deal with those minor ones with the 31 release too. As we're going, so we're trying to do this. So we haven't released our first release yet. We've done quite a lot of patches for the 031. We want a minor release, 031 minor release, so I'm happy with that taking a month or 2. Yeah. And I believe once we've got the sprints and other stuff done, there will be a time where I'm like, all right, cool. We are now moving towards a major version. I don't foresee that it's one of those things where I'm like, I could see that at the end of this year, but it could be next year. So yeah, exciting times. That's assuming I don't just decide to rewrite it all and be like, haha, which I have done before. So we've got 27 tasks, bugs left. We're scheduled to. We've got 0 blocked. The code coverage in that is still the same at the moment. We've released this today, which is the 10th. Save and publish. All right, cool. Let's have a look at the GitHub actions. Let's go NearBeach. Let's see.